Hello, I would like to start my presentation showing what my mobile app can do. I open the mobile app. Okay, and for default, the map is located in Paris, but pushing this button, I will get Glostrup because I live close to Copenhagen, 10 kilometers from far away from Copenhagen. And for example, if I want to take a picture, of my Twitter. Okay, I confirm it. I write a text and I can publish on Twitter. Before I publish, I can see here I did an experiment many days ago. Now I go to tweet. The mobile application is doing the upload of the picture and the text. Okay, I think it's done. I refresh the page of my Twitter and I got this new picture with my text and hello, and now it's the time is correct, and we have latitude and longitude of the picture, and yes, so it works on Twitter, and I will provide also the Epic app file and username and password for Twitter, and so you can try everything you need, but the app works totally fine. And also we can save, and if you go to saved list, we can see we keep the message, latitude, longitude, and the time, also the date, because we have a local database. So this is what the app can do. I worked on the requirement of the app, and I got was the assignment was asked me, and that's it for now, and I will continue with the second part of the presentation. Hello again. Before I presented my mobile app, and this mobile app was developed in React Native, and React Native is easy to learn because there is a really good official documentation on internet. For example, we have the official documentation, and we can see we have everything we need to use React Native. And for example, here in the component we have the possibility to, for example, to see how we can create a view. And I think it's really helpful. Also, we have documentation about the APIs. For example, how we can create an alert with React Native. And React Native is also easy to learn because we can use JavaScript, and JavaScript is really popular. And we can use Visual Studio Code to develop our mobile applications. And with more Visual Studio Code, we can use easily the command line. Also, we can create components inside our mobile application. So in the future, if we want to update some components, we need to just operate in the component we need. And also online we can find many not official components. For example, we can easily use a camera or a microphone. For example, we can find a component where in media we can use a camera, or how we can take video, or we can work with the audio recorder. And yes, React Native is fast to use, so we can create our app really quick. But the performance are not like the native apps. For example, in the documentation, official documentation, we can see something about the performance, and we can see in some components we can have really good quality. They are similar at the native components, but in some other components it's not possible to achieve like the quality of an app with, for example, created in Kotlin. So with React Native, we can create an app, and we can share 95% of the code between Android and Apple. The performance are good, but not for everything. And also, when we want to create with React Native our Epic app, we need to do like some tasks to achieve our Epic app. If you want to put our app in the marketplace, Google Play, for example. If we want to test instead our app in Apple, we need the Mac. So it's not that easy, because if you use Windows, we can just test our app for Android, but we can't for Apple devices. My personal consideration is React Native is really good. It's really easy to use. With JavaScript, it's uh, it's much easier because all developers know JavaScript. But in my opinion, it's better also to know a native language because when we can do something with React Native, we need to add some native code, and it's better to know also native code. This was my presentation. Thank you so much.